patronage. Thank you for always enabling us to bring such initiatives to life. Originally from Kanpur, UP, and now settled in Bangalore, he holds a Master's in English Literature, a Master's in Education, an MBA and certifications in Disaster Management and Montessori Education. He served the Indian Air Force for 31 years in the education branch, holding key roles including Senior Education Officer, Chief Administrative Officer, Security Officer, and Director of Air Force. He actively served during the Kargil War in 1999 and the Line of Control standoff in 2002, earning a commendation from the Air Force Commanding-in-Chief Southwestern Air Command. After retiring in 2016, he continued to lead as CEO of Maliga Multi-Speciality Hospital, Bangalore, and later as Chief Engagement Specialist at Maspro Microsoft. Today, he continues to inspire through motivational talks and career counseling at Air Force unit schools and colleges, while also serving as General Secretary of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee's Ex-Servicemen Department. I would now like to invite Sir to please address the gathering and to share his thoughts with us. Please join me in extending him a warm welcome. Welcome, sir.
Respected Miss Padmaja Ayya, our team, and all present over here. A happy Independence Day to all of you. Lucky we are that we are breathing in an independent country and having our own constitution. The things in the past were not same to our forefathers, our ancestors. They were under the regime of British colonial system, and after a struggle of almost 200 years, we could get independence on 15th August 1947. They have finished their job, they have completed their job. Now this is the time for us to improve and to develop the country. There are so many motivating factors which we can adopt in life and do contribute to the country. But the thing is that unless otherwise you are having devotion, you are having dedication, you can't turn the table. For this you have to be punctual, and the punchline in defense forces is only discipline. Discipline is the thing which is begetting punctuality, dedication, motivation, cooperation, everything. Normally people think that disciplined people are not good. They think that discipline is hate. I will say no, discipline is not hate, discipline is love. For example, if you are not disciplined on the road, what will happen? You have been taught, okay, be disciplined, follow your lane. And if you are not following, what will happen? You love your child. And he says, okay, daddy, I want chocolate. You have purchased a quite good bundle of chocolate. Will you allow him to eat all chocolates altogether? If you are allowing it, that means he will fall sick. So in a disciplined manner, you say, okay son, look, you have to eat 1 chocolate or 2 chocolate. That will be healthy and that will be good for your health also. So discipline is like that only. So we are trained, we are prepared, and through training we have come to this level. Please remember, there is nothing impossible. In circus you see that one is small parrot, one is small animal of 6 years, they perform. So once they are performing, why can't you? Only the thing is that motivation factor is not there. So make it a punchline. There is nothing impossible. With this, I just say that wonderful climate, wonderful building. So you are lucky fellow. Jai Hind and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and thoughtful words. Thank you everyone for joining in. Please be seated.
In particular, I would like to thank our chief guest, Wing Commander Ansari ji. Thank you very much for being here. Let's give a round of applause. It's been really a pleasure that you graced this occasion. I take a few words from some of his short talk which we had in the morning, that the sacrifices, one of the sacrifices he mentioned was that when he was posted in the Dras sector, one of the highest ranges where human beings man the post, he had to break open his breakfast with a hammer because the egg was completely frozen. Thank you very much. Your sacrifices are what has made us stand here.
Arrangements and good building. I like it.